This week's grammar lesson is on irregular verbs. Last week, we talked about regular verbs and how, when they are in present tense, we would add an ing. If we are writing or speaking using the present participle, we would add a helping verb plus an ing ending to the verb. If it's a past tense verb, we add ed. And if it's a past participle, we add the helping verb plus the verb with ed. With irregular verbs, the regular verb forms its past and past participle in some other way than by adding the ed to the base form. So if we have the word blow, the past tense isn't blowed, it's blew. And the past participle would be like has blown. Freeze, the past tense isn't freezed, it's froze. And then the past participle would be have or has frozen. And then likewise with swim, past tense is swam, past participle is has or have swum. So here are a few examples of those irregular verbs. So our to be verb as a past simple would be was or were, and as a past participle it would be been. Beat changes to beat again and then to beaten. Become changes to became and then back to become, and so on and so forth. This seems maybe like a difficult concept, but you are using the correct form 99.9% of the time. And so it's just a matter of listening to the way you naturally speak our language. So let's try a few exercises. Throughout history, cities often blank as small villages surrounded by farms. We would try to find the past form of begin. So we would write often, began. Number 2, as agriculture improved or trade increased, some villages spontaneously blank larger. The past form of grow is grew. Number 3, enterprising people blank ways to accelerate urban growth. In this case, we need the past participle of find. So remember, we need to find a helping verb. So people have, and then the past tense of find is found. The compost blank rich soil after a year. We're going with the past of become, so it would be became. And lastly, the South St. Paul Packers blank the Simley Warriors every year. We have a past participle of beat, so have beaten. And there we go. Hopefully this will help you do your assignments for this week's topic, irregular verbs. There will also be a link to a list of the different forms of irregular verbs to assist you if necessary. Have a great week.